emergency shut-offs are required for both hot tubs and swimming pools. This is in accordance with the National Electrical Code Section 680.22 and the International Swimming Pool and Spa Code Section 110.11a. The emergency shut-off must be a readily accessible, low-voltage type crash button. This crash button can be quickly activated to stop the recirculation system. The emergency shut-off must be visible from the swim area. It also needs to be located within 6 feet of the nearest edge of the pool. For large pools, such as those found in gyms or health clubs, additional requirements apply. A contactor must be installed near the pump motor. This contactor automatically disconnects the power when the emergency shut-off is activated. Multiple emergency shut-offs may be required for pools with multiple recirculation systems. They may also be needed when there are long distances between the pump and the swim area. The purpose of the emergency shut-off is to quickly stop the pump and suction system in the event of an emergency. This is particularly important in situations where a swimmer becomes trapped or injured. By cutting off the power, the suction force that can create a hazardous entrapment situation is eliminated. It is important to adhere to these codes to ensure that the equipment and pool are safe for use.